Hey, it's your boy Trey Cross, founder of the Cross 3 Network. Here's how to dominate your scales with just 10 minutes a day. Alright, so check this out. Before I even get to that, sometimes you have to give credit. Sometimes you gotta pause and just give credit what credit is due. Big shout out to C-Dub and his team. Man, they made this phenomenal app called Scale Junkie. This app helps you to practice your major scales and your minor scales in every key at all different tempos, and they make it fun. Like it's like playing with a band. You could take out the drums, you could add the drums, you could do all kinds of things. It has all types of flexibility. But the idea is to make it fun to practice your skills and make it fun to master your skills. And the reality is, no matter whether you're a phenomenal musician and you've been playing all over the world, or you're just getting started and you just learned your notes yesterday, at the end of the day, all of us need to be practicing our skills. All of us need to be getting better at our skills. So it's almost like musicians learning and practicing their skills is just as fundamental as basketball players shooting free throws. You just got to do it. No matter how basic it seems, no matter how boring it seems, you got to do it. C-Dub and his team, they did it. C-Dub is an innovator, man. He is amazing. And this cat, he basically made it super fun to practice scales. I've never seen anything like this. So I want to show you. The crazy thing is, this app is totally free. Okay, so it's called Scale Junkie. You can download it in the App Store, and then I don't have an Android, so whatever the Android App Store is, you can download it in there too. So it's called Scale Junkie. Okay, so look, so here's how it is. You can do your major scales. You can do your minor scales, okay? So like, let me click on major scales. So right here, you can go half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, 2 octaves, and song rhythm. This is like actually playing a song, but with the major scale. It's so dope. You can add or take away the drums, the music, the scale reference, and the shaker. And then even down here, you can see where you can actually change the BPMs. You can change the tempo. You can go all the way down to 50 BPMs, which is really slow. And then you can go all the way up to 200 beats per minute. So that's a nice little wide range for somebody that's just getting started, and then somebody that's already advanced and just needs to continue to perfect and get better. All right, so then like right here, you could change the pitch or the key. So you can go B, C, and then D flat, and then if you want to change the other keys, you go back out and you just go. You can see D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat. Okay, so all right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna demonstrate the half notes 1 octave real quick. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how the quarter notes work with the 1 octave. All right, so that was pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check out the eighth notes with the 2 octaves. All right, and then on last but not least for the major scales, let's go ahead and check out the song rhythm, and that's 1 octave. And one thing you'll notice about this app that is so dope is the fact that every setting, like half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, song rhythm, every last one of them has a different feel to it. It's the same scale, you're playing the same thing, but it's not redundant. C-Dub and his team did a really, really good job with this. Like, this is amazing. And of course you got the volume button at the bottom. All right, so let's go and check out the minor scales. All right, so we're gonna go to the C minor scale. Boom. All right, so with this, it's basically the same setup. The only thing that's different is the actual scale itself. So let's check out the half notes with 1 octave. All right, so next is quarter notes. This is just 1 octave. All right, cool. All right, now we got eighth notes, and this is 2 octaves. All right, last but not least, we got the song rhythm. That's 1 octave. Like when I tell you it's really, really fun playing this, it's all, you forget that you're practicing your scales. Like you forget that real quick. So let's go ahead and see what the song rhythm is about for the C minor scale. So that's Scale Junkie in a nutshell. Go ahead and get it. It's free. It's 100% free. Go get it and practice and master your scales.